Toro wheelhorse will not move when I put in any gear.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. How did it start? Has either rear wheel been off the unit? Flat repair? The belt to the transaxle has to turn the upper pulley for transmission to work. It should turn when unit is running, and in neutral, it turns at all times engine is running. Will the unit roll in the freewheel position? Brakes could be locked up if it will not roll. Can you see the response? Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Scroll up to view response.
Can transmission be low on grease?
No, unless it has locked up. You didn't answer my responses. Will it roll? Has wheel been off?
Wheel has not been off, it will roll. Wheel has not been off, it rolls.
The belt would be the place to start. Be sure it is on all the pulleys and the tensioner spring is in place.
Is belt loose when not running? Everything in place. Is belt supposed to be tight?
Yes, belt has to be tight.
What would make it loose? Need new belt. I had to replace belt for blades.
Can be stretched, or the spring that keeps it tight could be missing or broken, or off a pulley. Did it work okay on last use, and now won't go?
I used it Sunday. I put in gear, it was slow, then it moved faster by itself. Once in normal, okay. I tried a few more times, it took longer to move. Today I tried to move, it won't move. If I waited long enough it might move. It's on jack stands so I can see under the tractor.
Sounds like the belt is loose.
What can make it loose?
Belt has spring-loaded pulley that has to push against E-belt. This is what tensions the belt.
Thank you for your help. The problem was solved. You did a great job. Excellent service.
Good job. Thank you.
Today I started the tractor, put in gear SAT there, then about a minute IT started to move. I cut the lawn, every gear worked no problem.
Wow. What did you do to it?
Last week I found the brake wasn't working right. I traced the linkage to a plate on the side of the transmission. I thought it was rubbing the trans, so I pried IT away, but IT broke off. Now I have great brakes and IT runs better.
Good job.
Curtis, why do I have to wait for the tractor to move?
Is this straight geared transmission or hydrostat? I assume it is geared transmission. That means the belt is slipping until it gets going good. Did you check the idler pulley and spring to be sure it is tightening the belt?
That's probably the problem. Thank you so much. I'll check tomorrow.
One other thing that can be problem is the brake pads on the mechanical disc brake can stick. New brake pads might be in order.
Thanks, Curtis. I'll check.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.